Today I'm going to show you how to speed up Firefox using SpeedyFox in just a few simple steps. If Firefox has been feeling slow, taking longer to open, or lagging when you browse, this quick optimization can help improve performance without changing your settings or reinstalling the browser. This is a fast and easy method, and it's great for anyone who wants to give Firefox a little boost in just a minute or two. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open any browser on your computer. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or whatever browser you already have installed. In the search bar, type SpeedyFox and press enter. You want to look for the official CrystalIDEA website since that is the safest place to get the tool. Once the search results load, click the CrystalIDEA site. On the website, find the download option for SpeedyFox and download the file to your computer. After the download finishes, go to your downloads folder and extract the zip file if needed. If the file comes compressed, right-click it and choose Extract so you can access the program inside. Once extracted, open SpeedyFox. You may see the app launch directly without a complicated setup, which is one of the reasons this tool is so convenient. When SpeedyFox opens, you'll see a list of supported browsers and profiles. Now select Firefox from the list. This tells the program exactly which browser data it should optimize. After selecting Firefox, take a moment to make sure the correct profile is chosen, especially if you have more than one Firefox profile on your device. Once everything looks right, click Optimize. SpeedyFox will quickly work through the Firefox profile and clean up the database files that can slow the browser down over time. This process can help improve startup speed and overall responsiveness. Wait for the optimization to finish, and when it's done, you're ready to close the program and reopen Firefox. In many cases, that's all it takes to make Firefox feel faster and more responsive again. If you want to keep Firefox running smoothly, it's a good idea to use SpeedyFox occasionally as part of your regular maintenance routine. It's a simple way to keep things tidy without needing advanced technical skills, and that's it. You've now learned how to speed up Firefox with SpeedyFox. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.